Okay, today I'm gonna bring you this cat scratcher for your couch. As you can see, my couch, they have been scratching it. It's right here. You can see all the scratches they've done. So this goes either side. So let's go ahead and put this. It's a big square. And when you open it, so it has this one and this one. And you see the Velcro is on the back of this one. There it is. So let's go ahead and set this up. Okay, so you get it. You put it to this side so it could cover this part. And then this one is the one that goes on this side. So you see, you get it to your height. You put this across, it goes right here. This one that has a Velcro, puts it there so it could be tight enough. And then you're gonna go ahead and take off the bottom of your couch. And you're gonna put this in here, into your couch. Put this here, back in your cushion. And it has these little ties down here. These little Velcros. They go tied down to the bottom. You see them? It ties up to itself. So let me show you. So there you have it. And it has another tie right there. So you could tie it down.